Hello, Dr. Minnis and my classmates. This is my making a cross-linked polymer lab for week number 7. My son is doing the videotaping. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to start off with mixing a half a cup of water and a half a cup of white glue in a bowl. So we'll do, here's the white glue. And I'm actually going to do what Dr. Minnis did and just do 3 ounces because that's about 3 ounces. And I'll pour that in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, now it's glue, so I guess I didn't think this through too well. But that should be good. Okay, well, I'll just, I want to use my hand, but just use a spoon. Get it all out. Okay. It's glue. I'm going to try not to smell it too much because I want to keep my wits about me. And I need to, with the half a cup of white glue, or with my 3 ounces of white glue, I want to put in, I think it was roughly about 2 ounces of water. So I'll do that right now. And I'll move dinner out of the way. Let me see, 2 ounces. So I've got about 2 ounces of water here. I'll mix it with the glue. Alright, so I have to thoroughly mix the half a cup of water and the half a cup of the white glue. And mixing it. And it's making a mess. Okay, so the water is mixed with the Elmer's glue, or the white school glue, the polyvinyl acetate, and I don't have any food coloring. So my husband's putting the TV on, sorry. So I'm going to skip that. In a separate cup, I'm going to mix half a cup of boiling water and 2 teaspoons of borax. Well, I don't have boiling water. Let me see if I can hurry up and get some boiling water going, or warm water, I think in the video she used, but I'll get my 2 teaspoons of borax ready in here. So we've got 1, 2, and that's ready. And you say more is better, so hopefully it's a little bit more.
Yep.
And then we need hot water, so I'll just run the hot water. Maybe that'll be good if the boiling water isn't ready. Okay, this is my glue solution right here. Actually, it's not as, now it's kind of liquidy now. It's no longer, it's a nice liquid type. You can get that, Ian.
Mm-hmm.
It's no longer stiff and hard to move the spoon around in. So now I'm going to put some, let's see, we need a 1/4 cup of boiling water. Ow, that's pretty hot. Ow, so we'll use that. And let's see, 1/4 cup. And we've got a 1/4 cup right here. I'll mix that with the borax. This is how I cook, by the way, too, when I'm looking at recipes. I have to keep going back to the directions because I lose my place very easily. Okay, so I need to make a saturated borax solution. Okay. Now I've got my borax solution ready to go. Now I'm going to pour the borax solution into the glue solution. And I need to be prepared to mix the two very rapidly with a large spoon. Okay, I guess this plastic spoon's not going to cut it. So I'll get a regular spoon. Okay, now I'm going to pour the borax mixture. Just make sure that's good and into the white glue solution. And I'm going to now Now I'm going to mix it up. Okay, we got something happening here. We got a ball of some type. You see that, Ian?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, I'm trying to mix it up very rapidly. But I've definitely got that ball thing going here, Dr. Minnis. I don't know that I want to touch it, but I no longer can stir it, actually. It's pretty much now a ball, like you showed. Okay. Well, it's not as, I noticed your cross-linked polymer that you made was more like silly putty, and you could, this is a little wetter, but I can see it's still, you know, it's still retaining some shape, and I can see that it is definitely soft and moldable, and I can make it into different shapes. I can make it long. Impressed, Ian?
Sure.
See that? And this is my cross-linked polymer. I made a snake, actually, some type of eel. And I think I'm done now. Thanks.
There you go.